Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see string function. So in this string function, we are going to see four function in this video. The first function is upper, second function is lower, third one is concat, and last one is concat underscore ws. So we are going to see four string functions. So first of all, what is the string function? It's used to manipulate or transform the text in the table. So what it will do, so basically if you want to do any of the transformation on the text, you can use string functions. So let's see the uh, uh, first string function. It's upper string function. So what it will do, convert the string into uppercase. So lower, it will convert the string into lower case. So you concat, if you want to combine two or more strings into single string, so then we can use concat. So for example, if you want to concat two or more strings, but you want to specify the separator, then so concat underscore ws. So you can use this for function to do the string manipulations. So let's see the example. So we have a employee table. So in this employee table, we have selected the first name and last name. So you want to convert all the character in the first name should be in the upper. So then you have to use select upper and open bracket and close the bracket, so to convert all the text in the uppercase. So now if you want to that's the first thing. So let's run the query. So you converted the first name column into all the text into uppercase. So now we have a last name column, so you want to convert all the text in the last name column into uh, lower string. So then, so just you can run the query, just you can use lower syntax that will convert into lower case. So now we have a requirement to concat first name and last name. So how you will achieve that? So we can use concat. So yeah, select concat, open the bracket, first name column. So you want to concat first name, comma last name. So basically what it will do, it will concat the first name and last name column, it will be converted to full name. So now we don't have space between the column, right? So now we want to separate the first name and last name with separator. So then we can use concat underscore ws. So what is the separator we are going to use? So we need to use space. So just you first specify the separator and specify the columns you want to combine. So and this is the first one is separator. So we want to give some space. So if you run the query, we will be getting the space between and first name and last name. So yeah, this is the usage of string function. Let's go to the today challenge. So we have in the department table, we have a department name. So just convert the department name into uppercase, and then next you can convert to lowercase, and then you combine the department ID and department name, and then concat that first name, department ID and department name, then concat the with the comma. So that's a separator you have to use. So if you got the answer, please write in the comment box. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.